happened? Big birds? I see big birds around here flying, but I don't think... Look, there goes the daddy bird. Let's see if I can zoom. This daddy bird right there. What happened here? You got one survivor right there. Then we got this one who didn't make it. I saw movement earlier over here. Oh, look right here. Ah, I still didn't make it. And then the only survivor is this one right here. It's very quiet. I guess it's scared. There goes the bird. Didn't make it. This is the only one that survived. Ooh. A baby bird. I had to put it inside the Starbucks cup. Don't worry, there's a hole there where I can breathe. Alright. I'm sure your mama bird and your daddy bird are worried about you. I can hear them. Here we go. We're gonna set you free. Okay. Your baby's right here.
Okay, good angle.
Yeah. I just saw them. Go ahead, baby. Oh, maybe she doesn't want to be free. Go. Go. There you go. I just hope she doesn't get bitten or anything.
It's so soft.
Mm-mm. Remember to clean your hands. Okay. Bye, baby. Okay, we're gonna put you. Alright.
Please nest is there.
Oh, yeah. While you're sick. Don't fall. Alright, let's go before it falls. Hi, baby. Hey, baby, you hungry? You hungry? I don't know how to feed you. Look at you, you're a baby. You're a baby. What should I name you? I'm gonna name you... I'm looking at your hair. Let's see, I'm gonna place you down. Let's see what you're gonna do. If you fly, whoa! You pooped. There we go. Got your little nest. Let's see what happens. Let's see if mama bird or daddy bird comes. Hopefully they feed you. So I'm not sure what to feed you. Do you want milk? Cookies? Candy? Bread? Juice? I don't know what to feed you. Alright, so I took a piece out of here. Let's see.
Okay. Can I do it?
Doesn't want any.
How about the whole thing?
No, that's too big. That's too big. Whoa, you okay?
Yeah.
Want to give it to the bird?
Yeah, can try. The body smell like fish right now.
It's too big though. I actually think that huge tomato ball, this cherry tomato, is gonna go inside his belly, inside his throat. Nah, I don't think so. Let's see if we can shred it up into pieces and leave it by his nest. But he is looking at it. Here,
I'm going to get a soccer ball.
Okay.
Relax.
Eat, buddy. You got this, buddy. You got this. You can eat. I'm not your mama bird, so I can't feed it to you, but you can eat it, buddy. Don't be scared. I'm not gonna hurt you. Okay. Not sure where your mama is. There goes my hot mama. We got a new baby.
This is what I catch my husband doing, huh?
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Little bird gonna fly. Oh, what the? What the? I'm gonna get attacked here. I'm in trouble now. Oh, I'm so in trouble. That's it. Your mom and your dad are gonna kick my butt. Where can I place you? Let's see. Let me place you in an area where I'm sure by tomorrow you're gonna be out of here. There you go. If that's where you want to stay, go ahead, buddy. I left you food, okay?